Direct proportion, scaling down. We'll take our untested pancake recipe again, which serves 4. So recipe serves 4, and in our recipe we use 4 eggs, 500 grams of flour, and 5, 6, 8 mils of milk. We're wanting some peace and quiet on pancake day this year, so we're just cooking for 1. So we need to use a fraction to multiply. A fraction is a multiplier or a scale factor to reduce our original recipe to make it into a recipe that will make a smaller amount, enough for 1 person. So we take our new number of people, in this case, which is 1, and put that as the top of the fraction, and our original number of people as the bottom of the fraction, to give us a multiplier, a scale factor of 1/4. Then, because we were using 4 eggs originally, we do 4 multiplied by 1/4, 4 times 1/4. You just apply the integer value to the top of the fraction to give us 4/4. 4 into 4 goes once, so we use 1 egg. It's the same scale factor, 1/4 times 500 this time. Remember, you just apply the numerator to this number here, the integer value, so we've got 500/4. You might be able to see straight away that that's 125. If you want to do the division, that's fine. 4 into 500. 4 into 5 goes once. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 0. 4 into 10 goes twice, which is 8. So it goes in twice, which is 8. 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the 0. 4 into 20 goes 5 times exactly, which is 20. So no more work to do there, 125 grams. Slightly trickier number now, we're working with mils of milk. 1/4 multiplied by 5, 6, 8. You might want to use your the grid method for doing this. Break down the 5, 6, 8 into hundreds. We've got 5 hundreds, we've got 6 tens, which is 60, we've got 8 units. 1/4 stays as 1/4. We know from our previous sum, in fact, that 1/4 of 500 is 125. 1/4 of 60, you might want to do your division, so why not? A bit of practice. 4s into, 1/4 times 60 is the same as 60 divided by 4. So 4s into 60, 4s into 6 goes once, which is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, bring down the 0. 4s into 20 is 5 exactly. So 1/4 of 60, or 60 divided by 4, is the same as 15, or is equal to 15. 1/4 of 8, you can probably see that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. So if you divide 8 into 4 equal chunks, each chunk is worth 2. And then you add these 3 numbers together. You add together the 125, the 15 and the 2. We'll put them into a column just to make sure we don't miss. 125 plus 15 plus 2. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus the 2 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus, we haven't got anything else in the hundreds column, is 132. So if we reduce 5, 6, 8 by multiplying it by a factor of 1/4, or dividing it by 4 effectively, we get 132 mils. So I will circle our new recipe, or the quantities required for our new recipe. We use 1 egg, 125 grams of flour, and 132 mils of milk.